Okay, my name is Siobhan Richards. I'm in group with Denali Jawardana, and our project is a fire simulation project. This simulation is especially important for young firefighters. It gives a feel of the fire hazard and encounters that they might come across in real life process. Um, and the reason why we created this firefighter simulation is because one, fire simulation, in real life, a fire drill would be very expensive and it would entails destroying of property to complete a fire drill because then you'd have to create a fire and have firefighters run through a building and give them a feel of fighting fire in a real life scenario. So one, the simulation would save money and it would also save the environment because creating a fire would in turn create uh, destructive chemicals in the atmosphere that eventually lead to environmental impacts. Okay, so let's take a look at the interface that we have here. We have a timer, instruction, and a help bar. So the timer is set at 3 minutes, and you have 3 minutes to save all the civilians that you can. As you can see here, you have multiple fire scenarios here, and it's animated, giving you a real effect of smoke and fire and all that. We have also a fire truck from SketchUp, and it's has animated path attached to it. We have a scoreboard that keeps track of player score. You get points whenever you come into contact with a victim, and you lose points once you're into an enemy, which is the fire hazard here. So we also have a main menu there as well, and multiple different objects, and we added terrain, grass, trees, and these grass sway once I start playing the game to give you a real world feel of the environment. So I'm gonna begin here playing the game. So and people screaming. So it says, "Welcome to Fire Drill. You have 3 minutes to save all the people," and that disappears. After 10 seconds. So we have 3 minutes to save the civilians. Once you come into contact with a victim, you get 20 points. And if you go into contact with a fire, you lose 20 points. As you can see, my scoreboard increases and the victims, they disappear. So I have to, search for different places. People are screaming. Got some more points. They all disappear. Trying to save as much civilians as I can before the timer runs out. If the timer runs out and you don't save as much as you can, you will not get the pass-in certificate, which is attached to another screen. So I think the total points is 180. So, and as you can see, the simulation of the fire truck pulling up. Okay. People screaming. So I'm gonna run this twice. I'm gonna show you what happens if you go on the stairs, going up the building. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what happens if you don't get the 180 points. Because once you reach 180 points, you will get a congratulations for saving all these victims. And as you can see, they're running from the fire. There you go. It's a congratulations